Hi guys and welcome on GSM-ABC YouTube channel. In this video I will answer to the question if Samsung Galaxy A15 has a fingerprint sensor. So here is my Galaxy A15 and to find out just go to settings and here go down and we have here security and privacy. Tap to go inside. Now go down again and here is biometrics. Again tap to go inside and here we have fingerprints and you can add your fingerprints. So yes, it has. Now I will go inside and I want to add a fingerprint to see how it's working. To do this, just tap continue. And first you need to set a secure screen lock. To do that, just tap next. From here you can choose from pin, password or pattern. I will choose a pattern and now I will draw my pattern and tap continue. You need to draw it again and confirm. And now to set up your fingerprint, you need to place your finger on the sensor. The sensor, it's here, it's located on the power button. I hope you see it. And you need just to touch, not to press, so just to touch this button. So let's do it. Touch it. And you need to do this until you have here 100%. And now it's over, fingerprint has been added. You can add another one if you want, but for me it's enough. I will tap done. And here, if you want, you can turn on a remote unlock. I will choose cancel for this time. And now I will exit and I want to test this fingerprint. For this, I will lock the screen. And now to unlock your screen with your finger, just touch. You don't need to press the button, just touch the button and as you can see it's working very well. So let's do it again, just touch the button and you can unlock the screen. And now I will try with another finger and as you can see it doesn't work. It asks for a pattern and to unlock your phone, again just touch here the fingerprint sensor and your phone will be unlocked. So this was my video for today. I hope to be useful for you and see you to the next. Have a nice day.